What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first of many furniture refresh videos. This entire last fall and winter I have been picking out furniture pieces that I have found in the garbage. Matt has done the same. He's also gotten a few of these furniture pieces from customers of his that no longer wanted them. So all of the furniture pieces that I have to share with you guys, everything that's in this garage has been free. What I'm going to do is take each piece of furniture out one by one and dedicate a separate video to all of these different pieces and share with you guys the process as to how I am fixing them up, what I end up selling them for, the entire process, other than you guys actually seeing us take this stuff out of the garbage. I wanted to make this video because literally anybody can do what I'm about to do. When I'm out on garbage night or the morning of garbage day, I just glance around and see what is out there. I can find so much stuff. If my garage was bigger, I would probably be able to fill like 3 more of these garages just with how many furniture pieces I see put in the trash every single week. So I'll be sharing with you guys the painting and refinishing process along with the listing process, listing it online to sell. And then again, I will share with you guys how much I make for each piece, just to kind of give you guys an idea on what you can make, especially getting these pieces for free, or even finding pieces like this at Goodwill. I really enjoy fixing up furniture. I'm definitely no pro. I have very little knowledge in the process of fixing up furniture, but I definitely want to learn. I have purchased quite a few new to me products, so I will share with you guys all of the items that I'll be using. I've never worked with a sander or a wood stripper, and I'm going to be doing that all with you guys in front of the camera. So I'm really excited. I don't know how many pieces I have in total, but here is our super messy garage, and here is a very long intro. I won't go into this much detail for the remaining videos, but I at least have 10 pieces of furniture in here that I will be sharing with you guys the process of. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this series. I've been looking forward to the warmer weather all winter long so that I could get started on this. I really want to organize our garage, and I cannot do that with all of these pieces of furniture in here. This is definitely something that I wouldn't mind doing for years, just finding furniture, fixing it up, and then selling it. But I definitely need to create a much more organized system in my garage if I'm going to store furniture. So this is kind of like a 2-in-1 type of a series. I'm going to fix up the furniture, but I'm also going to clear out and organize my garage along the way because it's gotten pretty crazy in here. I'm going to work on these 2 smaller pieces first just because they're going to be easiest for me to take out, remove, and start working on. And then I'm just going to just pull the pieces of furniture as I go along. Just wanted to give you guys a little quick overview with how much I'm going to be working with. Okay, so here's the first piece that I'm going to work on for this first video of this series. This is a piece that my husband's customer gave to him. They no longer wanted it. I get that styles and colors of furniture go out of style. Totally understand that. But all of these styles, colors, they can all be changed and altered to be a more modern look. And pretty much any look that you want to achieve, just using some paint or some stain. And one thing I have learned from older furniture, the quality of older pieces just can't be beat. So here we have this really cute end table. Here is another look at this one. It's a nice piece. It's very sturdy and well made. I love the curvy legs on the bottom there. The only thing with this is that it does have a lot of like orange tones to it. I think that this would look so much better if it were either white or if it had a really nice like rustic stain. I am not sure what this was used for. Probably an end table. It's pretty low to the ground, but it does have a drawer here, which is really nice. I did forget to pick up some metal spray paint. That's definitely something I want to do, just to be able to change out the hardware, the look of the hardware, without getting new hardware. So I think I'll just get like a matte black spray paint for this and just give it a whole new look. Okay, so for the most part, I have the gray chalk paint portion of this all done. I'm not going to paint underneath here. I just don't see a purpose. So I'm going to just touch up a few places, like the feet area here. A few spots need like an additional small coverage. So I'm going to just touch up on those areas. Alright, so I believe I have covered all of the imperfections. I'm going to get started on this little drawer. This shouldn't take me long. I'm hoping to finish this project today. For the drawer, just to add like a little bit of contrast, I am using this bright white gloss paint. I'm hoping that the color combo will look good. The glossy white with the chalk paint gray, I'm hoping will be a nice combination, but I won't know until I try. I just want to kind of do something a little bit different, make this end table stand out and be a little bit more unique than what could be found in stores. So that is why I decided to go in on the drawer with a bright white color. My drawer is drying. I am still waiting on my hardware to dry, but while I'm waiting on the drawer and the hardware, I'm going to go in with this polycrylic protective finish. This is clear matte, so it should not ruin the effect of the chalk paint. And while I don't think that this is a super like necessary step in refinishing and selling furniture, I do think that it is nice to be able to add in the listing that the furniture piece does have a protective finish on top of it. Like I said, it's not necessary, but I do think that I can list it for a little bit more and definitely sell it for more having this included in the listing and on top of the furniture. And like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I have never used Polycrylic. I have read really good reviews and good things about this Polycrylic, so I'm hoping it is as good as what I've read. But here's what it looks like. It's like a very creamy looking watery base, just in case any of you have never yet worked with this type of protective finish. So this is all done. I really like how it came out. I love the color palette. It's obviously mostly like really nice and neutral, but it does have that bold pop of black coming in with the handle right here. I love how it looks against the white drawer. And yeah, I am so excited with how this first piece came out. It really gets me excited to begin working on all of the other furniture pieces that we have. And I think I'm going to go ahead and list this for $65. I think the lowest that I would be willing to sell this for is $50, but I always do like to start higher, and then if it doesn't sell, I can just gradually work my way down. But like I said, it's got a lot of character just with those really beautiful curvy legs, as well as the like cutout woodwork on the sides there. So I do think it's a really beautiful piece. It's very sturdy, very heavy, so definitely made well. There's the inside of the drawer. It has the carved out company name in there, which is another really nice, beautiful touch. Working with the two different types of paint and the two different colors of paint was super easy, as well as working with that Polycrylic. Spray painting the handle here was also super easy. So it definitely has me excited to continue working on the remaining pieces and kind of just expanding my knowledge and my experience with furniture and refinishing furniture and just using different products that I have not yet used before. So I hope this inspires you guys to pull out some paint and just refinish furniture that you guys may already have or that you've found at Goodwill, garage sales, or even in the garbage, and turn a profit for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this first video. I have so many more furniture pieces to update and refinish, so I hope that you join me for all of the rest. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comment section below. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you can please give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that. I hope to see you all in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.